Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master's English Hub. In this lesson, we're going to learn everything you need to know about the present simple tense, how to form it, when to use it, and the key words that help you recognize it. Let's begin. What is the present simple? The present simple is used to talk about actions that are regular, permanent, or always true. It's one of the most important tenses in English. How to form the present simple? Affirmative. I, you, we, they, plus base verb. I play football. He, she, it, plus verb, plus s, es. She plays football. Negative. Subject, plus do not, don't, does not, doesn't, plus verb. I don't like coffee. He doesn't drive. Questions. Do, does, plus subject, plus verb. Do you speak English? Does she work here? When to use the present simple? We use the present simple in 5 main cases. 1. Habits and routines. I wake up at 7 o'clock. 2. Permanent situations. They live in Paris. 3. General truths and facts. The Earth orbits the Sun. 4. Schedules and timetables. The bus leaves at 8 a.m. 5. With state verbs like, love, know, believe, want. She likes chocolate. Signal words. These expressions often show that the sentence is in the present simple. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, every week, every year, on Mondays, on Fridays, on weekends, in the morning, at night, once a week, twice a month. Example. He usually studies at night. Don't forget the S with he, she, it. She works. He watches. Some verbs change spelling. Study, studies. Go, goes. State verbs are normally not used in continuous form. So remember, use the present simple for habits, facts, and routines. Practice with your own sentences using today's signal words. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.